안녕하세요. 제 이름은 나미입니다. Hi, it's Nami, and as you can probably see, my hair is not light, bright-ish, pastel-ish pink anymore. It's more of a lavender or lilac or orchid shade, and this kind of happened on accident. I'm going to try to fade a little bit of my pink. Right now on this camera, Canon has a really good auto white balance, but in real life, the underlying red in the pink just accentuates the green in my skin. So either I need to make it warmer, like a rose gold, to accentuate the yellow in my skin, or I need to make it cooler tone, like a lavender pink, so that it looks natural to the cool undertones in my skin as well, because I heard that if you go warmer it could fade to like a more brassy, like orangey tone. To extend the life of my hair, I'm going to go cool. Just want to say a quick thank you to Fanola and the salon guys for providing this resurrecting mask and no yellow shampoo with purple pigments. I'm gonna do purple shampoo, purple conditioner, and then 5 minutes of this mask. Let's see how my hair does.
It's a lot you're using.
Huh?
It's a lot you're using.
Yeah, well, I want it to be really neutralized. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It's really purple. Is this okay? Oh my god. I think I left it on for too long. 5 minutes.
It's the hair now.
Okay.
Your pink hair was short-lived.
Oh my gosh, what should I do? Oh my gosh. I have no mirror, but my head is purple, isn't it? Does it look like an even purple, or does it look kind of wonky?
Wonky.
Oh my god. It's so purple. I'm gonna try this. Is it better?
It's kind of like a mix. Purple pink.
Oh my gosh, what happened to me? I should have done a patch test.
Yeah.
Well, my whole head is an experiment, so...
I really like it.
You like it?
Yeah. Sure.
I don't know how to feel about it. I should have just left it on for like 2 seconds, but I left it on for 5 minutes.
It's good. Don't worry.
I really like how it turned out. I don't hate it, but it wasn't what I expected. It definitely culture shocked me a little. I was like, oh my gosh, and I was scared. I was like, I think I turned my hair bright purple, but I'm really glad that it turned out more pastel than I had initially seen in the shower, because I was looking at it and I was like, what did I do? I'm really surprised with how even the color has come out. You can see that it's toned really evenly all throughout my hair except my roots, because my roots never really grabbed well in color to begin with. Maybe I should spin around for you. Just like this, and then like this. Just so you can see the horrors. Previously, when I was using a purple shampoo, which was the Shimmer Lights shampoo, I don't think I was using it properly. I kind of just put a whole bunch of my hands and I just like washed my hair as if I was washing with a regular shampoo, instead of starting at the mid shaft like I did with Fanola's purple shampoo in this video and like distributing it throughout. I kind of just placed it on like on my
temples and on my scalp first. And so the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo just kind of clung to my temples and didn't really deposit that much color, even when I just waited for it to process more and stuff. The color in the Shimmer Lights is also more pastel. It's more of a lilac tone rather than the Fanola's blue violet. So I think the Shimmer Lights might be better for an everyday kind of use to just maintain like a silvery-ish tone. But I think the Fanola did a really good job, like all throughout, kind of like a no yellow, no orange, no brass kind of immediate tone. I feel like I should have rinsed it right after I distributed it all throughout my hair, and then my hair would have become like an icy pastel pink. But because I waited 5 minutes, my hair became more of this tone. That shampoo was so strong. I'm actually like really surprised at how well it did. My previous experiences with purple shampoo weren't that great, and I preferred to use purple conditioner, but even that had like patchy moments. But this, I don't know, maybe I just lathered it really well. It just toned so well. And I kind of feel like a unicorn. I wasn't expecting to be a unicorn so soon because I did want to try unicorn hair after I did my pink and my other colors, and then try unicorn hair, but it was like as if the magic of unicorns had been bestowed upon me. I mean, it's not bad. I really like it, but it just was so sudden for me. I wanted that pastel pink, the icy pink, especially because I wanted to take Army Selka with pink hair. It's okay though, a few members have done this kind of tone of purple, so I'll do some of those Army Selkas before I try to transition back to pink. Moving forward, I am going to try to transition back into pink with my overtone pink, pastel pink conditioner. And I think every time after I wash it, it would look closer and closer to the tone of pink that I initially wanted. But what do you think? Do you like it? It's different. It looks different. It's pretty though. Let me know what colors I should try after I go back into icy pastel cool tone pink and take a whole bunch of selfies for Army Selka Day, and what you'd like to see on me next. It's kind of like my whole head is an experiment.
Quick thank you to NachoFam, who suggested me to throw in some lavender into my hair to make it a little bit more of a cooler tone pink and to avoid the blue, because now I understand why you said to avoid the blue. If you put in blue, then your hair will turn lavender, but if you put in lavender, then your hair will turn cool tone pink in between the lavender and pink. We are also doing a live on Thursday on the second channel. It will be a little bit more empty than the lives are here on this channel, so we could spend a little bit more time responding to every single live chat and spending that quality time with you. So if you are able to join, definitely mark it down and hang out with us exclusively.
Bye.
Today's feature comment is from Ellie. To be honest, for a 4-year-old, Galahad is pretty chill. I know some mad kids who run rampant 24/7, and there is no single quiet moment ever. That is our 2-year-old son, Ziek. He is currently, what is he doing over there? He's fooling around. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more, definitely make sure to subscribe and click that bell notification for new videos, because we have now since increased our upload schedule. I also post very frequently on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat, so you can check these platforms out if these are platforms that you use. And that's it, so I'll see you next time. Bye!